Bus. Hello friend, welcome to my channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the Alphanium. Okay, ALPHIUM, which is a new token listed over Gate.io, and there is a competition going on the ALPHIUM. So let's start how it will work and how you can participate in this trading competition. Just you have to go and log in Gate.io account. After login, just you have to click on the more. Okay, or you can click on the startup. After clicking on the startup, you can see here trading contest is going on. So just you have to click on the trading contest. After clicking, you will see here Alph Alphanium trading competition. Just you have to click over here. After clicking, and a page will be open. Here you can see new user, click here to register. I will also mention sign up link in the description section from where you can join and get sign up over the get.io, and you can earn 10%, 40% bonus from the get.io, 10% from sign up bonus, and 40% for your invite new friend bonus. Okay, so let's see what is it. Get that you are currently holding Alpha ALPH trading competition. We have a pool of a 58,000 ALPH in reward for user who trade ALPH. Okay, so competition period is starting from 15th of January and ending to 22 of January. So first of all, to join this event, you have to click here and you have to submit your UID, which will be generated when you will sign up on the gate.io. Okay, then you have to enter and submit to join this competition, and after that you have to complete some activity. Like activity first is trade alpha to share 40,000 ALPS in reward. Okay, the top 200 user based on the trading volume will share 40,000 ALPS. Okay, the first prize winner will get 860 LPS. Second prize winner will be get 770 LPS, and third prize will get 670, and fourth to 200th user or winner will get 37,700 LPS, equally distributed in all users. Okay, so for trading pair, just you have to click here. Also, deposit link I will mention in the description section from where you can directly deposit on that LPS. Okay, so let's see. The top 600 deposit will share 6,000 ALPS on the first come and first serve basis. Okay, participant need to deposit at least 420 ALPS in their account to be eligible for the second activity. The third activity just for new user and trade win share of the 4,000 LPS. Okay, link will also share in the description section. And fourth activity is invite new friend and share of 4,000 LPS mega reward will be given by the Gate.io. Users who invite friend to register for the Gate.io account, complete KYC verification and make any amount valid trade can receive 10 ALP for each invite. About $10 it will be for 10 ALP. So I will also join and also share if you anyone joining by my link, and I will also get. So to earn this, just you have to sign up by given link in description, and after that you have to invite your friends. Okay, you have to invite your friend circle and your social media account. If ever anyone is joining, then you can get 10 LPS every per user, and 5 activities 4,000 LPS for the Twitter giveaway. Actually, this activity is for the all competition, and if you are posting on the Twitter, you will get 4,000 ALPH. It will be distributed each and every user. Winner can get 80 LPH. It means 80 USDT. Competition rule is shown here. First rule is the earlier you participate in the trading volume, the higher and waiting user trading volume is calculated by buy volume plus sell volume multiplied by time bonus factor. Okay, not continue same user buying and selling. Please do not swipe trading volume. This is the common rule for all the competition and activities over going on Gate.io. Okay, second point is due to varied transaction cost for the different VIP label. In order to keep the competition fair, the transaction volume will be eliminated by the multiply of the actual commission of the VIP one user by difference in user transaction commission. Due to the difference in the transaction cost for the referral reward, in order to keep competition fair and transaction volume will be normalized. Okay, so this is a common rule and basic rule for all the competition. You can read out here. I will mention also in the description section from where you can find it easily understand the things. So the notice is also given here. All participants need to fill in the application form and complete KYC verification by end of the activity period. Otherwise, they will not be included in the list of the winner. Okay. Sub account and master account will be treated as the same as account when participating in the activities. Okay. Participants must agree and comply with the Gate.io terms and conditions, and the use of the duplicate account and any other unethical behavior is strictly prohibited. Even if you are using multiple account with the same like user ID, then it will be not permitted over here. Okay, it will be illegal and it will be terminated directly. Account can be suspended permanently for any content of the action that could bring disruptive repute to the Gate.io brand is strictly prohibited. It means that you don't have to do any activity like it fake signal giving about the Gate.io and fake commitment about the Gate.io. It should not be there. Gate.io is the fair platform where you need to post and spread fair information to all of the user and all of the world. Okay, so get remember it to check your amount. You can go in the wallet and billing section for the billing section. Okay, risk is also given here. Risk warning is also mentioned. Please be ensured to note that virtual currency market is volatile and loss may occur in different situations. So you are strongly recommended to understand all the related information and be vigilant and regard your investment action. Gate.io reserves the right to cancel and amend any activity or rules um, on our sole discretion. So here it is all about the competition. ALEPHIUM and it's a symbol name is ALPH. So hurry up, get registered on the Gate.io and participate in the activity to earn more. Thank you for watching video.